So today we have this awesome video of one of my students who just made $25,000 just out of high school. Check it out. All right, so I am reading messages from you guys. DM me, comment at me, tweet at me. I read them all. I take it in. It's good feedback for me. This is one student on my Instagram, and he wrote, Clay Ruff is his nickname. He said, I just want to say thank you for inspiring me. I'm now addicted to the trading and can't wait to join the Millionaire Challenge. If you do want to join my Millionaire Challenge, click the link just below this video. He says, when my penny stocking silver subscription runs out, my dumb ass bought the Tim Alerts first, then silver. LOL, I'm closing in on my first year and I'm up $25,000. Took me 9 months to get profitable, although I was in high school for 7 of those, not focusing hard, but things have finally started clicking. I'm ready for the monthly recap video. I want to live it up and travel like you, man. Stay safe. Thank you, Clay Ruff. And let me just close my laptop for a second because it's about to die. Don't feel bad if you start with Tim Alerts or penny stocking silver. We have many different options to learn. All of my most successful students, yes, they are in my Millionaire Challenge. Now, many of my top students are actually teaching too. It's not just me giving live webinars. I'm very fortunate that almost all of my top students give back to the community. They want others to learn from their own experiences. So the rate at which we've been creating millionaires has sped up because, frankly, my Millionaire Challenge has more and more content. Everything is archived. So Millionaire Challenge students get 2, 3, sometimes 4 live webinars per week, whether it's Q&A or live trading. So that's awesome. Clay, also, first year and up 25,000. You're ahead of the game, my man. You know, Tim Grittani, my top student, 1,500 now, into over 7 million in profits. He made nothing his first 9 months, okay? He made $1 million in his first 3 years, but nothing his first 9 months. Now, I'm not trying to say it's an exact science, like, oh, here's what you have to make 7 months in or 9 months or 3 years in. Be patient, okay? If you're up 25,000 in your first 9 months and you're, screwing off for 7 of those 9 months, you're way ahead of the game. I'm excited to see what you can do. And I encourage you guys to start studying. Get involved as soon as you can. Even if you're in high school, if you're under 18, you do need parental permission. But if you're in high school, college, even if you're in a senior citizen's home, if you're 80 years old, start studying as soon as possible, because the sooner you get knowledge, the sooner you get preparation, the sooner you can begin learning, and the sooner you can begin executing trades on these fast-moving stocks. The sooner you begin executing the trades, then you get practice. Practice, while again, nothing is perfect in this game, practice does make pretty damn close to perfect a few years later on. So a lot of people say, oh, Tim, I'm going to start studying in like 3 years. Why are you wasting 3 years? I get messages from people where they're like, I was in college, I'm now searching for a job. I mean, college doesn't give you much these days except student loan debt. Enjoy that, motherfuckers. I wish that college wasn't a scam. I wish that student loan debt wasn't such an unbelievable crutch that too many people have all their lives. Even if you declare bankruptcy, your student loan debt still exists. Like what? You can be a deadbeat fucking degenerate gambler, go bankrupt, throw all your money away in casinos, have a fucking heroin addiction, spend it all, give it all to drug dealers, declare bankruptcy, and all your debts are wiped clean. But if you go to college, nope, you have to pay your student loan debts forever. How does that make sense? I don't understand that. Anyways, that's another topic. I'm very proud of Clay Ruff. He is learning. He's on his way to something bigger. And this is the process that I want to teach you guys, okay? He started with Tim Alerts. He went to penny stocking silver. Next, he's investing in his education and he's going to the challenge. Wherever you start, and maybe some of you just start with my free YouTube videos, that's fine. Just get started, and then gradually along the way, you start to realize I'm real. I know a lot of people get involved and they're like, I'll just watch, but I don't believe that you're real. I'm gonna find a way to where you slip up. I'm gonna catch you slipping up. I get these messages from some people. And I'm like, I'm not slipping up, motherfuckers. I am real, okay? Sometimes I do lose. In fact, I lose roughly a third of the time. But when I lose, I make a video lesson about it. I write a blog post about it. Those are actually some of my most popular blog posts and video lessons. I don't hide anything. I show my income tax returns in audits. I love that people think like, oh, you're alerting half your list the buy and then the other half a sell, and it's some kind of scam. I'm just being real with you. And the sooner you understand that, the better. The sooner you understand I'm not perfect and you're not perfect, and yet we can all still make a lot of money using our brains, the better. So, congratulations, Clay Ruff. It's a process. Your first $25,000, fantastic. Now, take it seriously. Take it more seriously and invest more time, invest more money into your education. Use this software, Stocks to Trade. I think that's going to help you take it to the next level. You're in control of how seriously you guys take this. That's what this video is about. But the more serious you take it, the better prepared you are for these plays. The plays are going to happen whether you're prepared, whether you think I'm a scam, whether you've studied or not. And there will be money to be made more times than not. Are you ready? How much of the pie do you want? Do you want a little slice? Do you want no slice? Do you want the whole pie? Totally up to you. So leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts underneath. Congratulations, Clay Ruff, on your first $25,000. Keep it going. Don't get cocky. Take it one trade at a time. This is my best tips for you. Hey, Tim Sykes, Millionaire Mentor and Trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.